More news coming in. Kannada actor and murder accused Darshan's judicial custody extended up to the 9th of September. Darshan gang judicial custody continues. The statement of a few witnesses is still pending in the case, even as the investigations continue. The accused are granted bail at present. If they are granted bail at present, there is a possibility of intimidation of the witnesses, is what is being said. Darshan's JC, or judicial custody, has been extended up until the 9th of September. The Darshan gang judicial custody essentially continues here. What is being said is that if this is not allowed, then the possibility of the gang essentially intimidating the witnesses is high. There is a big possibility of that. If the accused are granted bail at present, there is a possibility of intimidation of the witnesses. And that's the reason why the judicial custody of Darshan has been extended. Anaga has got more details on that. Darshan in news lately for all the wrong reasons also gets further judicial custody. Is going to be in the judicial custody up until the 9th of September. Take us to the details of what now is being said by the court.
Well, Sneha, at the moment, Darshan has been given judicial custody till September 9th. And the main reason why, Darshan has not gotten bail and that he has to remain in custody is because the statements of a few more victims are still pending. FSL's report is yet to come out. And since witness statement is also yet to fully be taken, it is also
the witness should not be intimidated. So keeping all these things in mind, Darshan's judicial custody has been extended till September 9th. However, he is also to be shifted to Bellary prison. From Bengaluru, Darshan will be shifted to Bellary prison, including his other co-accused in Renuka-Swamy's murder case. Every single accused persons will be shifted to prisons that's away from Bengaluru. However, Pavitra Gowda, who is A1 in Renuka-Swamy's murder case, will continue being in Parappana Agrahara prison in Bengaluru.
All right, Anaga, getting in those details, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Anaga was telling us about actor Darshan, who is going to be shifted to a different prison amid the jail party controversy. A Bengaluru court on Tuesday ordered the transfer of the actor here. Another accused in the Renuka-Swamy murder case to different prisons across the state. As per the court's order, Darshan will be shifted from Bengaluru's Parappana Agrahara Central Prison to Bellary Jail. The order comes after a video went viral where Darshan is seen relaxing with a beverage and a cigarette inside the jail, as well as making some video calls. All accused arrested in connection with the murder case of Renuka-Swamy will be sent to different prisons. Meanwhile, Pavitra Gowda, co-accused in this case, will remain at this particular prison only.
Sir, R. Ashok yesterday went on to say that because one of the ministers visited prison, all this malpractice has been done inside the prison.
I think some health problem with Mr. R. Ashok. I think he's mentally not well. Let us advise him to get his own treatment better at the earliest. Since I think he was the Home Minister, he has a lot of connection. And he is also a friend of Mr. Darshan. I think with his help and guidance, I think he might have got some services.
दर्शन का मामला इस सरकार का आईना दिखाता है. आपके पास पैसा है तो कहा भी कुछ भी कर सकता है, कुछ भी मिलेगा. क्या चाहता है वो मिलेगा. वो जेल दर्शन के जैसे सेलिब्रिटी को वो जेल नहीं है, पैलेस के जैसा.